Welcome, today we're going to show you how to make a portfolio using Cloud website. So, the first thing that you need to actually do is search for Cloud website as see from here, and you need to open this link. After that, you need to make your account, and then you can see this dashboard. After that, you need to click on a new site button on the top right. So, from here, you will have a lot of templates to choose from. You need to click on portfolio. So there's a lot of templates for portfolio. You can choose which one you like. I'll see from here. There's a lot. I can choose this one, click on select. And now this is the instructions on how to actually manage your portfolio. So you can click on OK, got it after you read these instructions. So now you can actually change everything. So you can add your name here or something. You can add the description that you want. I'll see you can just write whatever like hello world or something. Also you can add pictures of your projects or some things you've made, and here you can add your accounts. So you can change this to your Twitter account, you can change this to your Gmail account, I'll see, and add whatever you want. Also you can add new sections, so you are not just limited to whatever they give you in this template. You can just add a new section or text or video, and after that you can just save whatever you've done here and use it as your portfolio. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.